So, Sir Caro, our honorary for this afternoon's occasion. So, even though it's raining, but we have still a very wonderful time because we are celebrating your retirement, which you have worked really for 34 years. So retirement is always a dream to all of us, especially in the government service, because we are looking forward for our freedom of the works in the institution. And of course, we are looking forward for our pension, which we have worked for so many years. Diba? So, kung sila kita makabati kita sa work na retirement, bao happy din kita. No? Na aside from na free na kita sa mga works, tanan-tanan na trabaho, sir, looking forward kita na we will be receiving a huge amount of money, no, as our compensation for our long service in the department. So, Sir Caro is not new to me. Even I was not assigned as principal in Esperanza National High School because Siligan Ilapit, we are together every time we have competitions. FHP pa na santo, dayon nag-step, dayon now Techno-Olympics. So arakit always si Sir Caro being a major or maybe because of his specialization in vocational field. So agriculture, carpentry, and many others, no? So dugangan ko itong nga ni Sir Gab, he was his partner, especially during the creation of Rotondan National High School. So when Rotondan National High School was created, and of course as teachers head, the item which was Sir Belianis was assigned this item as that, no? So head teacher. So Sir Belianis was assigned into Rotondan National High School to head the newly created school. But because we lack teachers, so what we can do is to assign some teachers from the main campus to the annex. So, this is Sir Caro, siguro hindi ba ni Sir papabor-pabor, pero I have seen kay Sir Caro na he has really this attitude and something in him which I think could help Sir Gabriel in carrying his duties as the manager of the school. So, siguro na-complain maging silently si Sir Caro, pero bisag kamay ako, wala gini siya nag-complain sa atong bangko, basta kutik-kutik mo sa ibali, pero in front of me, wala gini si Sir Caro nag-complain. Nga ma'am, arak lang na balay ko, ipakatong mo kaya sa tundangan na yun pa to, pero wala, I never heard that word from Sir Caro. Wasang complain ako na batian. Siguro sa iba may aray. Pero siguro, bisan kamay ako out of respect, yung respeto man ako ni Sir Caro, when siya nag-complain. So, na-assign siya sa Rotonda Annex. So, considering ni Sir Gabriel, sidekick niya si Sir Caro, to me, I describe Sir Caro as best supporting teacher. Kung sa pelikula, ay best supporting actor. Si Sir naman, best supporting teacher. And troubleshooter. No? Troubleshooter kasi sinig na to ni Sir Belianis, no? Na he has some ideas aside from that. So, may mga physical workman na he did in order to improve Rotunda National High School. Then, how many years that is sir? Gaiman no? For several years man, Alex sa Esperanza National High School ang Rotunda. Until such time that I leave Rotunda Esperanza National High School, when I was promoted to the division office, Sir Carlos still served as the supporting actor or teacher of Sir Cap at Rotunda National High School. When San Jose Annex was again created, so he was again assigned there, no, as following Sir Villanes. And siguro they are meant to be, no, they are meant to be partners, no, in the development of new created schools. Madaming problema, but yet they were able to survive because of their teamwork. So, sir, your services at the Department of Education will surely be missed. What you have done to your students, preparing them whenever they will have their own lives, the skills you have given to them or you have taught to them, that will help them be prepared in facing adversities of life, because you have developed their skills, especially on how to earn some livelihood through your expertise. So you are now retired, and you can say this word: I am retired, but I am fulfilled, because I have done so many things for my students as well as to the Department of Education. So enjoy, sir, enjoy life after retirement. So sige, Sir Gab, so isa ka medyo maguhang ka man. But for you, I know, because you are a hard-working fellow, you can easily adapt to the new situation. Being free from morning trips to Barrio 5, and of course you have all the time for your family, as well as of course you will have the time for family travels, no? So whatever scheme you have chosen as your retirement fee, so I hope that you can set aside some amount for this, for the family trips or family travel. So enjoy while you are can still, no, you can still walk, no, you can still laugh, and of course enjoy your money, no, because you have earned it for, it is a hard-earned money for so many years. So congratulations, and I hope that you will still be healthy. Hasta mag-abot ka sa 100 years or more than that, no? Amen. Enjoying life with your family. So, congratulations, sir.